Good morning. This is Nick Mosley, UTCID KHY111. This is the final problem 3 here. It's going to be the dictionary problem. We're given a dictionary, a dict, that maps integer keys to integer values. Write a Python function that returns a list of keys in a dict that map to dictionary values that appear exactly once in a dict. This function is going to take in a dictionary and return a list. It's going to return the keys, the list rather of keys in increasing order. If a dict does not contain any values appearing exactly once, return an empty list. So essentially, if you have duplicates, don't show them. And then if it's empty, return an empty list here. So duh. And then we were given this tester and then this tester. Put this one in here so like you can see the 8 and um, the 3 and the 4. So I mean, same essential values here, just excuse me, just out of order. So once we do the sorting, that'll kind of show how that'll sort because the 8 should be after the 3, just due to numbers. So yeah, what we're gonna want to do, um, excuse me, we want to set up a new key list here. So we'll do new keys, and so put up an empty set here, and then we are going to want to make sure that the values of the dictionary are um, unique. And then so we'll want to make a list of those guys to kind of, well, not kind of, to check for uniqueness here. So we'll do pop, 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 and then whatever we've got in there, give us a list. And then so yeah, similar to the previous problems, we're just gonna kind of go through each one of these values and make sure that they meet the qualification. So for each one in excuse me, in a dict, what we want to do. So if that, excuse me, uh, count. So if that iteration of it, if that instance of it is unique, so it only happens one time, we want to throw it up into that new keys list. So we're gonna, as similar to the primes list, we just want to append that. Um, and yeah, return it. So I mean, this is essentially the code. I mean, not really essentially, it is the code. We just need to return what we're doing. And then like for the most part, I mean, they'll all go, don't really necessarily need to be sorted, but like if you get a dictionary like this where that's, out of numerical order, we'll sort this fella and yeah, new keys. See if I spelled that correctly, and then wonderful. That looks right. Let's see what the computer thinks. And yeah, wonderful. Okay, yeah, so none of these are unique. So dot and empty set, 138. Yeah, I mean, these are unique values in here. C6, 7, and 10 are all duplicates. And I think the other one was make sure, yeah, if a dict is empty, return an empty dictionary. So let's cut this out and then again, and perfect. So we've got that additional empty set here. So we'll throw this back in to save it for you. And yeah, that is problem 3. Thank you so much.